Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gaming shorts viral. We'll dive into strategies that capture attention and boost your content's reach. First, pinpoint those electrifying game moments and trending challenges that resonate with viewers. Think about what makes a clip instantly shareable. Your goal is to create short, impactful videos that leave a lasting impression, encouraging viewers to watch again and share with friends. To truly engage your audience, focus on content that stands out. Highlight your unique gaming skills, share hilarious fails, or feature those incredible clutch plays that everyone loves to see. Remember, the first 3 seconds are crucial for hooking viewers. Make sure your opening is dynamic and immediately grabs their attention, compelling them to watch the entire short. Editing is where your gaming short truly comes alive. Aim for fast pacing with quick cuts and seamless transitions to maintain viewer interest. Incorporate engaging captions that add context or humor, and don't shy away from impactful sound effects. Crucially, integrate trending audio to increase discoverability and appeal, making your short more likely to be shared across platforms. To maximize your reach, optimize your shorts with relevant keywords and trending hashtags in both titles and descriptions. This helps platforms understand your content and show it to the right audience. Regularly analyze your performance metrics, paying attention to watch time and engagement rates. Use these insights to refine your content strategy, ensuring your next short is even more viral.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.